Hello, today we will talk about your left hand posture when playing notes and finding your instrument's sound point. This lesson will also help you when you practice your bow techniques like staccato and slurs, which we learned in the last video. In many cases, beginners tend to bring their wrist in or stick it out when playing notes, especially when they press on the third or fourth finger. So I will talk about an exercise you can actually do to prevent doing this or that with your wrist. First, you will play the G major scale without your bow. When you press on the strings, use your right hand to gently hold your left wrist so that it stays in its natural position. And do this for all four strings. You will notice that this will be more challenging on the E string, but you need to keep practicing so that pressing on the E string becomes as natural as pressing on the other three strings. After doing this exercise, try playing notes with your bow, and make sure that your finger placement and wrist shape is correct as you gradually increase speed. Make sure to keep practicing with this exercise until you are used to keeping your wrist shape. Now I'll talk about how you can find the part between the bridge and the fingerboard that creates the best quality sound, which is called the sound point. So the sound point varies by instrument, so you'll need to try to discover it yourself, and I'll show you how to do that. Basically, you use your bow to play an open string starting from close to the fingerboard all the way up to the bridge. I will demonstrate this process by showing you how to find the sound point on the A string on my violin. As you heard, the sounds produced varied in loudness and quality. If you were to split the distance between the fingerboard and the bridge into quarters, like this, then the last quarter, covered by my finger here, that is closest to the bridge, was the sound point for my violin, as it is for most other violins. However, it is important to try this out yourself since all violins are different. So today we talked about our left wrist posture and how to find the sound point on your instrument. And it is crucial to maintain a correct wrist shape and playing at the sound point of your instrument, especially when practicing bow techniques like staccato and slurs. In the next video, we will talk about third position. Thank you.